In this video, I want to share some strategies and best practices for clapback, playback, and dictation examples. The best thing I think you can do is tap your foot to the pulse of the beat. If I'm tapping my foot and I get one note per foot tap, what do I know that I have? I have quarter notes, which I call pies. If I'm tapping my foot and I get 2 equal notes per foot tap, what do I know that I have? I have 2 eighth notes, which I call apples. If I'm tapping my foot and I get 2 foot taps per note, what do I know that I have? I have half notes, which I call pies. If I am tapping my foot and I get 3 foot taps per note, what do I know that I have? I have dotted half notes, which I call pies. If I'm tapping my foot and I get 4 foot taps per note, what do I know that I have? I have whole notes, which I call pies. One of the trickiest ones to recognize is when I get 1.5 foot taps per note. What do you think that we have? We have a dotted quarter note, which I call pi-ap. And 99% of the time or greater, when we have a pi-ap, it's followed by a pull. Pi-apple, 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 pi-apple. If I'm tapping my foot and I get 4 notes per foot tap, what do I know that I have? I have 16th notes, which I call huckleberries. Another thing I like to do is draw dashes on my paper below the staff. Here you will see I've done it in red. If you purchased my dictation mini courses, this file comes with your purchase package in both red and black dashes. Then when I am listening to the example, I will draw my own dashes that correspond to my foot taps on top of the beat dashes under the staff. The first note is given, so I can mark that free dash before we start. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Now that I got the rhythm on the first playing, I can now focus on pitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. It sounded to me like it went mi, fa, sol, and then ended on do. So hopefully those strategies will help you become more accurate with dictation, both rhythmic and melodic. If they did, go ahead and check out some of my other videos and check out my mini dictation courses. Thank you.